Right guys, let's do a super simple pasta recipe. This one's done in pretty much the time it takes a pasta to cook, and this is all the ingredients you need. The first thing we're going to do is get our pasta onto boil in some salty boiling water. So let's get that on now. And by the time that's finished cooking, we should have the sauce ready to go. So I've got a food processor or a blender. I'm just going to start adding in our ingredients. So I've got a tin of tomatoes, some basil leaves, probably using about 8 to 10 basil leaves. So I'm adding in 4 cloves of garlic here. I'm not chopping it up, I'm just taking the skins off. So get them in. I've got some of these jarred char-grilled peppers. A bit of the oil in there. Just get all those peppers in there as well. It's a nice, easy way of getting big flavour, but nice and quick. Should have just tipped the whole lot in, shouldn't I? There's nothing left in the jar. Grating a parmesan in there. You could use any kind of hard cheese, grana padano, a little bit of salt and black pepper in there as well. But all we're going to do is we're just going to blitz this until it's nice and smooth, and that's going to be our base sauce. So this is what we're looking for. It's still got a little bit of texture to it, but if you want it smoother, you can blend it for longer, harder. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get our pan onto a medium heat, and we're just going to tip our sauce into the pan. So we're just going to bring this up to temperature. It looks a little bit thick at the moment, but when we start to add the pasta in, a little bit of pasta water, it'll loosen it up nicely and make it really nice and silky. So this is starting to bubble away now. As you can see, I'm going to grab the pasta and we're just going to start to spoon this into the sauce. Make sure you get a little bit of water in there as well. Just drag it over. And it's all about, if you're feeling a little bit frisky, you can give it a toss. Just to mix it all together. It's all kind of stayed in there, bar a little bit. So the pasta's all nicely mixed through now. Grating a bit of parmesan. Just look at that. Some black pepper in there as well. So it's all about trying to make it look nice and pretty now in a bowl. So I'm going to serve this up, get it everywhere while I'm doing it. I'm going to just tip the lot in, I think. It's a deep bowl, that is, I've had to tip the lot in. I'm going to finish it off. Another dusting of parmesan. This cheese makes absolutely everything better. It's just a mountain of it on there. Be generous. Some black pepper. But also, got some really small basil leaves, just dot them all over, just to make it look pretty. And there we go. Done in about 15 minutes, start to finish, and tastes absolutely incredible.